you want to increase customer engagement and make your SMS marketing efforts ultra impactful? Welcome to Powertexter, the text messaging solution by Imperium Dynamics that enables you to revolutionize your customer engagement and communication efficiency. Powered by advanced technologies and integrated with the versatile Power Platform, Powertexter offers a robust suite of features to enhance your outreach strategies. With Powertexter, you can send automated and bulk messages tailored to each contact, making it simpler than ever before to reach everyone efficiently. Now you can manage your contacts and campaigns easily, ensuring that each message hits the mark with the right audience. Plus, detailed analytics help you fine-tune your strategies for the best impact possible. Whether you're starting out and want to build strong customer relationships or a growing business looking to streamline how you connect with customers, Powertexter makes this all possible. It also integrates smoothly with Power Automate, meaning interactions with your brand will be more engaging and drive measurable, tangible results. Transform your customer communication strategy with Powertexter today. Explore our website to learn more about how Powertexter can elevate your business communication, or contact us for a personalized demo.